Hi, welcome to 2020 Tasty Treats with GourmetQuilter. I'm Susan Clare, GourmetQuilter, and we're doing some applique at the moment. So we're doing a series of dog appliques, so there's 20 in the series. We are up to applique number 10. So up behind me here, there's 9 of our friends already gathering there, looking for some more friends. So we'll go ahead and we'll get the little dog applique. He's just a little cutie, this one. Is a little fun-loving dog, I think, this time. So I've just marked some little lines where I'm going to stitch just to indicate where his legs are there. I've marked his eyes with a permanent marking pen, and he's got a little coloured collar on here. Nice and fun and bright, because that is the kind of dog that I think he might be. So, and I'm just going to iron all that in place. And pop some batting behind to act as a stabilizer because I'm free motion stitching. And I'll go to the machine. So I've set the machine up for free motion. I've got the feed teeth dropped. I've got a little open toe free motion foot on and a dark grey thread in there. So I think he's actually pretty straightforward, this little guy. So I think we'll just start near this collar here and come around. Outlining just on the applique shape, close to the edge, free motion straight stitch, so the stitch length is governed by how fast we're moving. Leg done. They're just so much fun. You can just, by just doing some of these little lines and things, this makes all the difference to bringing them, dare I say, bringing them to life a little bit, giving them a little bit of action. It's got a little tail fluffing out the here. I think he's all set to enjoy life, this little fella. Just keep going. I'm just going to go around that collar at the moment and get around this head and the ears. Because just the collar to go and this little dog is all done. So we'll just give him a quick press. And he is a little fun lover, I think. So pop him up here. I bet he'll have a few of them keeping an eye on him in there. Might be a little bit mischievous, that little one, do you think? So that was a dog applique number 10. So I will see you again with applique number 11.